Hello and welcome to Cloud Perspective channel. Today I will show you how you can share subnet between two AWS accounts using AWS Resource Access Manager. So what we are going to do is we are going to share a subnet from production to development account. This is just an example. So I'll show you how it can be done. But there are some rules that you need to remember, important rules that I'm going to show in the next slide. So first rule is you must enable sharing from Resource Access Manager from settings. Okay, and there is an option to enable sharing with AWS Organizations from root account to enable resource sharing in AWS. Okay, so this is the most important point. And the next is default VPN or subnets cannot be shared. So if you are not having any uh, extra subnets or VPN, then it's not gonna be shared because you know default, like there is a rule in AWS Resource Access Manager that cannot share default VPN subnets. So let's log into AWS Management Console and I will walk you through the process. So here I am logged into the Management Console. I will navigate to Resource Access Manager. Okay, so if you go into the settings, as I have already shared, enabled the sharing with AWS organizations, so it's not allowing me to change it. It's showing disabled. But in case you have not done this, so this is the first step you should do with your root account. Okay, I'm logged into my root account. I need to enable this option. Okay, and here you will get all these options like what resources are shared by me. Okay, and what resources are shared with me. So let me see if I have shared any resources. No, no, there are no resource shared. Let me see if I have non-default subnet. So basically I'm going to try to share a subnet. Okay, so let me see if I have a non-default subnet created. So yeah, I have this subnet one which is created by me. It's a test subnet. I will navigate back to resource manager. Okay, resource access manager, and I'm gonna create a resource share. So resource share is basically a group of resources. Okay, you can include multiple resources over here. So I'll name it as test share. Right. This is the subnet. Okay, non-default subnet that I'm seeing over here. I'm gonna click it, and I don't want to add the tags. Next. So these are the actions. Okay, this is the default permission I'm getting. I click on next, and what AWS account you want to share with. So let me just display the organizational structure. All right, so I have these two accounts, okay, development and production. So I want to share with both. Okay, so I'll click on that. But first of all, let me log into the other account and I will show you if this subnet is showing over there. So hang on. So here I am logged into the other account, which is my Cloud Perceptor account. Okay, and I will move to the subnet section to see if I can see any subnets over here or not. Okay, like the one which I'm going to share. So as you can see, these are the default subnets that are showing up over here in my Cloud Perceptor account. So now let me move back to my root account and I'll share the subnets and show you over here. So here is my root account. Okay, let me see what. Which one is my development? Cloud Perceptor account. Okay, this one is linked to my Cloud Perceptor. So I'm gonna select it, and under selected principles, I'm gonna select this OU. Click on next. This is summary page. Okay, so the name is test share. I'm sharing my subnet. Okay, and uh, yeah, this is the principal OU uh, which is allowed access to. So let me create a resource share. Okay, it says associating. It's gonna take a little bit of time, not much. Let's reload this page again. And as you can see, the status has changed to associated. So we are good to go now. Let me just move back to the other tab wherein I have the development account logged in. Alright, so this is my development account, Cloud Perceptor. I'm gonna refresh it. And as you can see, this subnet has appeared over here, right? One which we have shared. Okay, so this subnet is the one, and the owner ID you see over here is different. Okay, so basically this is the owner ID for the account I am logged into, 0159, and this is my root account ID, owner ID, from which I have shared. So this is the way you can share uh, subnets, VPC, and many more things using AWS Resource Access Manager. I do keep in mind those rules that I showed you in the PPT. The PPT will be shared to you. I will upload it in the slide share, and I would like to hear your comments out. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.